Here's to the everyday adventure. Hardly what you imagine it would be. But count up all of the unexpected moments, and every journey becomes special. And it starts to look like something more simple, more grounded, more connected to everyday life. At Smittybilt, we believe life is meant to be an adventure. And our mission is to build accessories so your truck or Jeep is ready for whatever adventure is around the next corner. Whether you use your rig for this, this, or this. Whether it's the open road, a back road, or off-road. From the front bumper to the rear bumper and all the gear in between. To each their own adventure. At Smittybilt, our adventure is your adventure.